Intel is a company that provides the hardware that powers computing. We make a variety of products, most prominently CPUs. Alongside each one of those CPUs is a GPU that runs excellent gaming experiences, and we also provide products in the areas of storage and networking. Every year Intel announces a new CPU architecture. The one for this year is our 6th gen core, codenamed Skylake, and it is a family of processors that has an amazing set of performance options from the highest end to the most power-constrained power envelope. It's going to be fantastic for gamers, whether you're looking at mobile gaming or high-end PC gaming, but I think a totally unrelated product that we've announced is going to be just as exciting, and that's Intel Optane technology. I think most gamers understand that when you move from a traditional hard drive to an SSD, you get a big increase in performance. With Intel Optane technology-based drives that are going to be coming very shortly, you're going to have about a 1000x increase in performance over an SSD, which is going to have some real benefits for game loading screens being a thing of the past, and anything else that requires moving data off the hard drive, you're basically not even going to notice that it's happening anymore. The biggest challenge facing game developers today is just the sheer number of platforms that they have to support. We try to make this as simple as we can on the PC side by maintaining architectural compatibility across all of our products, but developers still have consoles, 1,000 mobile devices to choose from, TV-based devices like the new Apple TV game platform, streaming services, and VR is a whole nother layer on top of that. So I don't think this is a technical problem, because I think any developer, most developers can figure this out when they put the time into a particular platform. But it's a business question as far as where they want to spend their time and which platform is going to make them the most money. At the core of it, we're a computing company that tries to put compute horsepower anywhere that it will fit. Through Moore's Law, every year we're shrinking the size of the computing products and where they might be able to go. So obviously we're already in lots of PCs and servers. We're increasing our footprint in mobile devices, but we're going way beyond that into wearables. We're going to makers who God knows what they're going to put computing into next. And I think you're going to be pretty amazed at the types of products that are coming out very soon that are going to have some amazing compute capabilities that you wouldn't have thought would even fit. For instance, we have a partner working on a 1 centimeter thick tablet that's going to be able to fit a quad-core CPU and a very capable GPU that's going to be able to run basically your entire Steam catalog in something about the size of an iPad. When I think platforms, as a guy that works in developer relations, I think about the operating system. So the traditional operating systems that we have really focused on for gaming has obviously been Windows primarily. In the past 3 or 4 years, we've added alongside that a big focus on Android. And coming up, especially with the products that Valve is helping to bring to market, I think Linux gaming is going to come to the forefront as well with Steam machines and the Steam OS. What my team does is we work directly with each of those platform holders, whether it's Microsoft or Google or the overall Linux community, to make sure that that platform, that operating system, runs as well as it can on our hardware. And then we work with content developers to make sure that the experiences that they're building, that they know how to use and have as much support as they need, building those experiences on those platforms on Intel architecture, because we want to be the architecture that underpins all of it.